Hi everyone, welcome to Joy's Knowledge. If you like this video, please like, share, comment and subscribe. Press bell icon for future notifications. In this video, we are going to see one of the GFCF diet recipe, Sweet Pongal. Sweet Pongal is a creamy sweet porridge made with rice, moong lentils and flavored with cardamoms, dry fruits. It is completely a healthy and tasty recipe of gluten-free and casein-free diet. List of ingredients for making sweet pongal. Rice half cup or 100 grams. Moong dal 1 by 3 cup or 85 grams. Water 3 cups for pressure cooking and half cup for jaggery solution. Jaggery chopped and tightly packed, half cup or 120 grams. Edible camphor 1 pinch, that is optional. Green cardamoms 5. Clove 1, that is optional. Salt to taste. For frying dry fruits, ghee 4 to 5 tablespoons, cashews 15 to 18, golden raisins 1 tablespoon. We'll see the process of making sweet pongal step by step. Step 1. Roasting rice and moong dal. Pick half cup rice and 1 by 3 cup moong dal first to get rid of stones if any. Then heat a small pan or a small kadai and add both the rice and moong lentils. On a low flame, stirring often roast both the rice and moong lentils until they become aromatic. You only need to roast until the moong lentils become aromatic. You do not require to brown them. Now take the roasted rice and lentils in another bowl or a strainer. Rinse both the roasted rice and moong dal a couple of times with water. Now cooking rice and moong lentils. Drain well and then add both rice and lentils in a 3-liter pressure cooker. Pour 3 cups water. The amount of water can add depends on the consistency you prefer and the quality of moong dal. Pressure cook on medium heat for 11 to 12 minutes or for 8 to 9 whistles. When the pressure settles down on its own in the cooker, remove the lid. Check to see if the rice and lentils have softened nicely and look mushy. Both the rice and moong dal should be cooked very well and mushy. With a spoon, slightly mash the cooked rice and moong lentils. If cooked well, then cover with the lid and set aside. The consistency of the cooked rice and lentils is like that of a khichdi. Meanwhile, when the rice is cooking, crush seeds of 5 green cardamoms and 1 clove in a mortar pestle. If using cardamom powder alone, then you can add half teaspoon of it. Now preparing for jaggery syrup. Chop 115 to 120 grams jaggery. You should get about half cup tightly packed chopped or grated jaggery. Now take half cup water in a pan. Add the chopped jaggery. On a low to medium flame, heat this jaggery solution until the jaggery melts completely. Do stir and break the jaggery chunks or pieces with a spatula or spoon so that they melt easily. Let the syrup bubble up a bit. You will get an amber colored syrup when all the jaggery is melted if you have used dark jaggery. If you have light colored jaggery, then the color will be pale yellow to yellow. If you want, you can thicken the syrup more. Now sweetening the rice and the lentils. Straining the jaggery syrup through a sieve, directly add it in the cooked rice and lentils mixture. If using organic jaggery powder, you can add it directly. Now add the crushed cardamom and clove powder and a pinch of edible camphor. Mix everything very well. The sweet pongal will thicken as it cools. So if the mixture looks thick, then you can add some hot water. Now for frying dry fruits. Heat 4 to 5 tablespoons ghee. You can add a bit less ghee if you prefer. Add 12 to 15 cashews. You can keep the cashews whole or half or chop them. Fry the cashews until they become light golden. Then add 1 tablespoon raisins. Begin to stir and fry. Stirring often fry until the raisins swell and become plump. Finally, for making sweet pongal. Then immediately remove the pan from the stove top and add the fried cashews, raisins and ghee to the cooked rice and lentils. Mix all very well. Now healthy and tasty sweet pongal is ready. Enjoy. Thank you.